Trigonometry proofs. We are going to see more examples about those proofs, but please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We have seen many proofs about trig. Now we are also going to see how we handle this. Now this one is that we are having a multiple angle of sine, which is 3x, equal to that, and we have also square of sine equal to this. They want us to show that this is equal to this. Now, what do we know? We know that always our sine 20x is equal to this. I've finished proofs for these lessons about these two proofs. You can go there and see how we prove them. Now we are going to apply the idea here. Now, the idea here is that in our proof, there is no anything like sine. So we are interested now in removing the sine. How are we going to remove? You know that sine is squared, and this one is a multiple angle. So we express this multiple angle in terms of sine x, like we are going to see there, and we eliminate sine. Now, what do we know? We know that now, if I start with this side, is equal to this. Now, I'm starting with this side here is equal to this. Now, from here, so that I want to create a square of sine because it's there in the equation already. But you see that sine squared x is this. If you get LCM, this is what we get. When you cross multiply, this is over 1 times this, then 4 times 1, you get that. Now, I want to create sine squared here from here. So the sine is here and sine is here. When I remove one of the signs, now I'm going to be adding sine x into 3 minus, we have remaining 4 sine squared x equaling to sine 3x. Now from there, I have this, I want to make this the subject. So now my sine x into 3 minus 4. Now I open brackets here. My sine squared from the equation was given, but instead we simplified it to this, which is 3 over 4 equaling to our sine 3x is p. Now from there I open brackets. Instead this 4 is going to cancel with this. So we have now sine x into this, we have 3, then minus times this we get minus 3, and minus times this we get plus 4q. They're all equaling to p. So that now this one is going to cancel, and so we have now sine x into 4q equaling to p. Can we make sine x the subject? Our sine x is going to be p over 4q by that, simple as that. Now, we know what sine x is. Now, we have also sine squared. So, can we square both sides? So here we say square both sides. Both sides. So if I square both sides, inside I'll be having sine squared x equaling to p over 4q, the whole square, which will say it's going to be p squared over, when you square this you get 16, when you square q you get q squared. Now, instead this one, if I call this, so this one is equal to this, but we know that we come from here. Now, first of all, you know that our sine squared x will be equal to sine squared x. Now, our sine squared x from here, we have first of all, this one is p squared over 16q squared equaling to, now our sine is squared. Our sine is squared here, which is this 3 minus 4q, the whole over 4. Now you multiply through by 16q squared. We shall get now p squared equaling to 3 minus 4q, the whole over 4. How we cross multiply and 16q squared. So by this one, by this we get a 4. Now if we multiply there, you see that now we have 4q, okay, p squared equaling 3 minus 4q into 4q squared. This times this we get p squared equaling to 12, 4 times this we get 12, q squared minus 4 times 4, get 16, q times q squared, get q cubed. Now you see, they took this side, 12 squared plus 16 cubed equal to 12 squared as squared. So that's how you handle that, members. I wish you will be able to